We about to install a wig, y'all. Period.
I ain't never need a nigga money cause I make it. But if that nigga wanna pay a bill, I'ma take it. I live a lot of zeros, but I don't fuck with no losers.
Welcome to my channel if you're new, and welcome back if you've been here before. I'm sorry if you can hear my AC, but girl, it's toasty in here. So we about to put this on. Never in my life have I ever installed a wig, but like we about to do it today, okay? I'm gonna just start off by brushing my hair all the way back and putting it in a low bun so I can put my wig cap on. Giddy bee, bow head house. Alright, I got a little wig cappy thingy. Period. Giddy bee, bow head house. I'm dead. Alright, let me be serious for real. Alright, so, boom. We got the Capiana on. I think I'm gonna do the the scalp, bald scalp. I don't know, but I'm gonna just put some gel right here so she can stay, cause she be moving and she be wildin'. Oh, this the got to be. It's not the yellow one, but it's got to be. So it got to work, right? This gotta stick. Zone. I think I'm supposed to cut my ears out. I'ma just. Ooh, these scissors are booty, girl. Almost cut my ear off. Damn. That's how I'm supposed to do it, word. Let me take my little ear out. Let me take my little ear out. Ooh. Alright, I think I'm good. Okay, word. I need to put some chapstick on. My lips is dry. There we go. This is tight, boy. I feel like my ears. Look at it, my ear turning colors. I need to cut it more. Why my scissors not working? No. I think I just cut some of my hair off. I don't think that's how it's supposed to look. Alright, we getting somewhere. Just a little bit. Alright. Now that I look like Baldy Locks, I'm gonna blow dry it. I'ma blow dry. I think she's dry. I don't know. We gonna cut it the fuck off though. Cause this bitch right here hurting my motherfucking ear. Ooh, ooh. I'm gonna have to. Ooh, Lord, it's crusty. Let me go close my door to cut this off now, y'all. I got little baby scissors. I don't know what I'm doing, but I'ma do it. But I'ma do it. Here comes my kid. Shh, I'm making a video. Yeah, shh. I don't know how to do this. Oh, this is crusty, girl. Oh, I'm bald, bitch. I can never take nothing serious. Ow, I think I just cut my skin. Don't mind my child in the background. Ow. How y'all be doing this? Did I make it too far? I don't know. Let me just keep going. Are y'all in? Is this interesting? Oh, this is. Oh, yeah. Oh. Bitch, I'm bald headed. Giddy bee, bald head hoshi. I'm gonna cut the rest of this off and I'll be back. Forgot to turn my camera back on. But I cut all the excess cap off. Now I'm just laying the little edges. And if you hear my child's toys in the background, don't mind that, please. And thank you. But she is looking like scalp, honey, okay? Let me just get the edges right quick. Okay. I'm gonna just wipe off my forehead with a little bit of alcohol. It ain't 91, but it's still alcohol. I think this is right. We gonna see. Alright, so now I think I'm supposed to... Let me just see how this looks first before I do anything else. Whoop! Giddy bee, bow it. Okay. Let's put this on real quick. Let's put it on. Let's put it on. Bitch. Hold up. Wait a minute. Oh, you could see my cap. I gotta cut that off, right? Or do I just need to put the wig more up? I don't know how to do this. I feel my ponytail back there. Bro, am I really about to put a wig on my head, boy? Alright. So I'm gonna place it there. Right? Right. Alright, let me put the gel up here. Okay. More gel. I'm gonna put the gel on and I'll be back. Alright, I got the gel on here. My hair is coming out. Listen, you get what you get and you don't get upset. I'm gonna let this get a little tacky. Should I wait longer? Oh, my wig about to fall off the mannequin head. I'm sitting here editing, right? And I'm so mad that I didn't put like my foundation color or something on my bald cap. So mad, but I know for next time. Definitely forgot that step. Y'all, I don't know what I'm doing. I don't know how this is about to come out, but we about to see. I'm kind of scared. Now, I don't know if I'm supposed to be using these combs. We gonna see. I don't want to use those. Let's pull this bad boy, bad girl up. Let me make sure my forehead's straight. Is this good placement? I'm not a professional. Right. Okay. Now this is my ear tab, right? Right.
Mama.
Yes. My you could see that. Why it's not sticking? This how y'all be doing it with the comb and whatnot. Okay. This is hard. Not even gonna hold you. I'm gonna tie this back. I'm gonna cut the ear tabs. I'm so like confused, confuzzled. It's like I know the steps, but at the same time, I don't know what the F I'm doing. Ooh. All right, so I just gotta cut backwards, right? Because I think this is what I'm supposed to look like, y'all. I'm not too sure. But bitch, I got a wig on. Who's telling me what? Period. Alright. There's hair all over me and it's tickling me. It's tickling me. Alright. What I'm about to do is before I cut the lace off, I'm gonna part out the very edges, and then I'm gonna lay them down, lay them down. This what I'm doing, y'all. Trying to lay my lace down the right way. Okay, hold on. Now, I'm gonna tie this back here. Alright. That's tight. Let me take this out. I don't know what's going on back there, but it's gonna stay just like that. I can't see. Okay. Woo. Now what I'm gonna do is, y'all, I got on a wig. I really got on a wig. Ah, wow. I'm gonna throw some curls. I don't know if I want to do a side part or a middle part, guys. I don't know. I don't know. Oh shit. I think I want to do a side part. I'm gonna take this off now. We're gonna see what happened. Whew. I definitely should have tinted, put some makeup on my lace. I definitely should have did that. Cause she look real white. She look real white. I'm just back to tell y'all that this was an absolute fail. Honestly. I mean, like, I see it. I see it. I definitely see it. I tried to finesse this. I've been sitting here for like an hour. Honestly, I can get some cute pics this way. But this girl, nope, it's just not happening. I don't know what. I just gotta keep practicing, honestly. But I definitely see it. I do. I definitely see it. And girl, once I get this down pat, y'all not gonna tell me nothing. Y'all not gonna be able to tell me. Look, bitch, not even. Girl, we not even gonna talk about that. But I threw some lashes on real quick. I filled in my eyebrows a little bit, just so I can, you know, get the full effect. And girl, I definitely see the vision. I see it. I do. Pero like, she's crusty. She's crusty, dusty, and musty. And she has flyaways. And I will finesse her one day. I will. I'm gonna keep practicing. But y'all, this is the end of my video. And I hope y'all enjoyed. Because once I really finesse her, I'll be back with another install video. But for right now, I just wanted to do this on camera. I wanted to try it out. So yeah, if you made it to the end of this video, I'm gonna need y'all to give me a thumbs up. Let me see. Leave a horse emoji if you made it to the end of this video. Okay? Cause sis tried. I definitely tried. But this was my first time, and I'm kind of proud of myself. Like I made it work. I finessed this, covered it. I went the easy way out. But listen, this not easy. I thought it would be easy, but it's not. So yeah. I mean, if you like this video, if you liked watching me struggle, I mean, half of it I didn't record it because one, my storage got full, so I had to delete some stuff. And two, this was just, I was frustrated. I was very frustrated doing this. Like, she's slipping backwards, okay? She's definitely slipping backwards. I need to get me some better glue, gel, something. But I'm gonna finesse it. I'm gonna definitely finesse it one day. I'm gonna get there. But I hope y'all enjoyed this video. Give me a like. Don't forget to subscribe on your way out. And I'll see you in my next one. I just wanted to pop back in and tell y'all that Snapchat definitely saved your girl. Okay? My lace. Y'all can't see that though. Girl.